This is an ardent appeal made on behalf of the advocates of India to Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, the Honorable Minister for Law and Justice, and advocate by himself. You are an advocate by yourself. And on assuming your chair as the minister, you had publicly committed that you will focus, you will prioritize, and you will coordinate with the concerned departments to achieve the medical insurance aspect of the advocates in India. This is on June 3rd, 2019. You have committed to the All India Advocates. And now you are very well aware that after the outbreak of COVID-19, the type of difficulty, the type of pain and suffering, the unseen, unheard pain and suffering the advocates of India are undergoing. Their lives are shattered. They are into economic turmoil. Their families are suffering. This you are very well aware, and I have no doubt that you will acknowledge this. Now in this critical emergency time, I recall and I remind you that at least the medical insurance of advocates, especially covering COVID-19 infection, must be brought into force with immediate effect without any delay. Within few days, 2-3 days, you must swing into action. After all, you have always acknowledged the contribution of lawyers right from the pre-independence times till today. You are well aware that the advocate community at large are working to ensure a corrupt-free society, and their contribution towards the society is immense, and you have acknowledged time and again. So this being the case, and based on your commitment, I appeal on behalf of the advocates of India to immediately take necessary steps to at least cover COVID-19 with a medical insurance, without which they will be further pushed into higher and serious economic turmoil. As it is, their lives are shattered. And kindly note that I do not belong to any political affiliations within the bar. I do not represent any political affiliations. I am an apolitical advocate, and I am making this appeal on behalf of each and every advocate of India. I am sure that you will acknowledge my plea immediately and swing into action to ensure the safety, security, health of the advocates and their families.